Today at Adventure Bake Lab, we're going to do the dancing dried cranberry experiment. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're going to fill our cup up with soda.
Whoa.
Next, we're going to put in some dried cranberries. Will you help? Yep, put them all in. What do you think will happen?
See the bottom.
You think they'll stay in the bottom? What? What floated to the top? You see? Look, look. They just came to the top. Look, it just floated up again. You see, it's dancing. You see them? They're dancing. You see what's happening is that the soda has a lot of carbonation. For the carbon dioxide to escape, it needs to form a bubble. And it forms the bubble on the nucleation sites on the cranberries. The bubbles attach to the cranberries and lift the cranberries up. And then when the bubbles pop, the cranberries fell back down. You want blue?
That's a big one.
It's a big one. We can't see the dried cranberries anymore. Can you see them?
It's green. Yeah, green here. My hand is green. A big one.
Another adventure from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.